Hello everyone. So I wanted to start this group from March 22nd, but due to some health issues, it got delayed, and now I am planning to start it in the first week of April. And for the same reason, I am not able to make a long PPT also. So I will try to explain the purpose of the group in short here. But please watch two of my previous videos. The link to them will be in the description box. Those videos explain the purpose of the group in detail. Also, the study material that we will follow in the group is also mentioned there, and all the time limits are there also. So please watch those videos. So the purpose of the group is as following. We all make very good plans, but we only stick to those plans for a few days or few weeks only. But this happens to most of us. So it's like not something to be very worried about. This happens to most of the students. But what I uh, felt in my preparation days was during the self-study preparation, we don't have any guide to have a watch on us. So I think it will be good if there is someone to have a watch on students to see if they are doing their daily work or not, to keep them on track. So in the group, what we do is I give the members a daily target from the day the group starts to the gate exam day. So there will be daily targets with limits to those targets, and I will be checking if every one of you are following the targets or not. So hopefully that will keep you on track. So yeah, but this is only a very short description. Those other two videos describe it in detail. So if you want to join the group, you can message me on Facebook. My profile link will be in the description box, and the group will be on Facebook only. There will be no Telegram or WhatsApp for various purposes, because we use the group in such a way that I make a post, and in the comments people can post their doubts. So this is not possible on Telegram or WhatsApp. So the group will be on Facebook only. If you need, you can make a fake ID for this purpose. Okay, so also the third year students will be eligible to join the group from this batch, but make sure you are able to follow the group schedule with your college studies, because the group will take much of your time. So think about it. Okay, so finally, please wait for my replies. I will reply to each and every one of you, but it can take a week or more, because I have to reply to many messages, and also the health issues there. So it can take some time. Please have patience. Okay, thanks. Bye.